In this video, we will learn about counting number of elements, whether it is an array or a list, right? For that, we have a method counting in collectors class. So we have collectors dot counting. Again, it is a terminal operation. Okay. So let me create a class stream counting example. Let me have a main method, and then let us take again arrays dot as list. Java is awesome. Introduce a local variable. These are words, and for these words, let's say we want to have a count of these words, okay, using a terminal operation. So words dot stream dot collect, and again inside that collectors dot counting. Okay, you know, when we try to create a frequency map, then also this counting method becomes very important. So we will discuss about some very important programs, logical programs, which are asked during the interviews, and then we'll be also using this counting. This is very useful method, by the way. Okay, so we have this count s out of count. All right, let me save and run this. We should get 3 as the output. 3. Now if I add something more, language, so we should be getting 4 now. 4. So this is how collectors.counting works. Using this, we will be able to count number of words, or even if it is an integer array or integer list, we will be able to count them. Okay, so this is how it works. So this counting method we will be using again and again in the upcoming videos, while we will be learning about logical programs. Okay.